Hi class, let's take a look at example 4. So in example 4, they're asking for which one of these two fractions it's actually larger. Now here's the problem. Your fractions are not equivalent because you have 4/5 and 6/7 in their denominators. In this case, the value at the bottom, it's not actually identical. So therefore, you're not able to compare them just yet. So what we're going to do is first find the LCM, which in this case, it's going to be technically the LCD, lowest common denominator, which for this one is going to be 35, or 5 times 7, which will be 35. Then we're going to make the fractions equivalent and then compare. So in this case, let me use a different color. So 4/5 and technically 6/7, we're going to multiply by a value that's going to put a 35 in the denominator. So this one times 7 and this one times the values of 5. So as we multiplied these fractions, we're looking at 28 over the values of 35, and then technically 30 over the values of 35. So you can now see that, well, 30 over 35, which technically came from the 6/7, is larger. And let me just write it out. So 6/7 is larger than 4/5. And once again, on the background, we're showing the work, and in this case, here's the work. The 4/5, it's actually 28 over 35, which is less than the 30 over 35. That's actually it for this one. Let's move on for example, or problem 5, I mean. And what they want on this one is you're given a fraction. So in this case, it'll be the 6/7. And they want us to find an equivalent fraction that has a 21 in the denominator. So in this case, we're just going to have to multiply times 3 and times 3. And this is going to give us, well, 18 over 21. So in this case, 18 over 21 is equivalent to 6/7 with a 21 in the denominator. That's it. It only took one step.